Hey foodies, what's up? This is me Gauri and welcome back to our channel Secret Recipe Book. Monsoons are on their way, so today's our recipe is going to be hot chocolate. So without any further delay, let's dig into the video. To make our hot chocolate, we are going to need any saucepan or any glass bowl. Unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. The sieving process will help a cocoa powder and corn flour to mix properly. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar as per your choice. And 1 pinch of salt. Salt will help our sugar and cocoa powder taste to get mixed properly. This will be our dry ingredient. Into that add 1 cup of lukewarm milk. This lukewarm milk will help it not to make any lumps. Give it all a good mix. Now into that we are going to add half a tablespoon of vanilla essence. This is dark vanilla essence. Into that add around 1 tablespoon of butter. Because we are using lukewarm milk, the milk will melt the butter really fast. This would be our cocoa hot chocolate mix. Now into the saucepan, add the hot chocolate milk and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Don't forget to mix it continuously, otherwise it will make lumps. You can either add dark chocolate compound also into it. It will add a good taste to it. Give it all a very good mix. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see it's super thick. You can either boil it for some more time, but this is the consistency I like it. So after this, switch off the flame. Now add it into a glass for more rich feel. You can top it with some whipping cream or chocolate cheddars, but it's all totally optional. You can see how yummy it looks. You will love this recipe. Please try this recipe, and if you like the recipe, comment down below. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on so that you're always notified when I'm posting my next video. Till then, Jian.